I wake up every morning, frankly, with social justice on my mind. And whether that's attending a deposition on behalf of my clients or going to court or attending a hearing, I believe so strongly in social justice that I live it day in and day out, 7 days a week. My name is Jesse Bernheim. I'm the founder, CEO, and trial attorney at Bernheim Kelley. When people are wronged, they need a voice and they need a platform to be able to pursue compensation if they were wrong. Our firm focuses on personal injury, product liability cases. I've always been a big believer in justice, and I know that large corporations tend to have a lot of leverage in society in general. We, about 10 years ago, decided to take on big tobacco, which is a fight that not a lot of trial lawyers take on because big tobacco fights you until the very end. We had inquiries from people based on what they experienced as young kids in the poorest parts of Boston, where they were sampled cigarettes, and basically, because of that sampling, these very young kids became tobacco addicts for life. And we believe that put them on a trajectory in their lives where their lives were forever altered, and they couldn't necessarily have the successes in life if they weren't addicted to such a powerful drug. I think it's important to hold big tobacco accountable because frankly, their conduct was so egregious. We hope that the work we're doing will change, and that not even in the tobacco industry, but other industries will see that they can't get away with that type of conduct. Another big part of our practice is taking on the biggest medical device companies and the biggest pharmaceutical drug companies in the world. We've been doing that for 15 years, and we've been very successful in pursuing those companies and making sure that our clients get compensated. When you give your life to being a trial lawyer and you're actually putting your money where your mouth is and not just taking cases and settling them, but taking them all the way through litigation and many times all the way through trial, what a commitment that takes to doing that. And I hope that people will continue to be able to have the law support their ability to pursue claims if they feel like they've been treated unfairly. And it's obviously a constant struggle on state levels and a federal level. It's a constant struggle to maintain those rights for plaintiffs. But without those rights, our country will be a very different place. And it would be a place that I wouldn't want to raise my kids in. I have 3 kids, all under the age of 13 years old. And they all know what I do for a living. They all know, for the most part, that, you know, I fight for people when they feel like they've been wrong. And I don't know how they feel about it yet, but I hope that as they get older, that they'll see that I devoted my life to helping people, and whatever they choose to do, I hope that they choose a career that is just as rewarding as mine. But I would like to see them grow up in a safer world, in a world where companies and industries are not as concerned about profits as much as they're concerned about doing the right thing and making sure that they're treating their consumers as safely as they possibly can. I think Esquire Bank provides us with a lot of tools and a lot of services that other banks don't. Esquire Bank specifically knows our needs as a plaintiff's law firm and really understands how we operate. And I think that sort of insight into our business and that understanding of our business plays a tremendous role in making that relationship a better relationship than I think I would have with another bank. Every day is a new day. Every day is a new challenge. I believe in the cause, and I think that the more you believe in what you do, the better you're going to be at it.